Hey guys,
Hey!
Jason. Oh, God, he's
Yeah!
scared. He's scared. The C-R-A-P out of me. That sounded like, hey, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Carlos.
What's up?
How are we?
I'm great.
I said we.
Yeah.
You just excluded me from this moment.
You're great. You're always great.
That's all I wanted to hear.
Yeah.
Hey, yes, I don't know what I'm saying.
You know what else is great?
What?
When they hit that subscribe!
Oh, you gotta hit it.
Listen to the podcast.
Bam,
For
bam, bam,
goodness
bam.
sake, listen to the podcast.
Listen, you guys, the podcast, I get it. A lot of you guys follow us here at the Vocal Lab because you love the reactions.
Yes.
But we do so much more than just that.
Yeah.
And this podcast is proof. You're going to love it. I promise you, if you care anything about life, love,
all that. That's
music,
pretty much it.
beautiful people.
Yes.
I mean, we talk about everything on there. It's definitely music driven, but you're going to get a lot of good information out of that. Some
Free.
funny bits. It's free.
Free. And if you don't want to watch it, you can listen to it. So
Bingo.
listen to it. And
on all the streaming platforms.
You can put on the podcast, do stuff or do work if you need to, walk around the house,
Totally.
clean, whatever, do all the things. So
Yeah.
just watch it, subscribe and watch it.
Bottom line is, it just helps support everything we're doing here to give you all some great free content, make your lives better, hopefully. Definitely makes our lives better, as does you just being here. So
Yep.
thank you for that. Carlos, what we reacting to today, I can't even say the last name, but
Leandro Gonçalves.
oh, is that Portuguese?
Yes, and
What do you
forgive
call that
my
C?
bad Portuguese. I always forget.
I forget too.
But it's got the little tail on it, which
Yeah.
means it does. So I know that.
Oh, is that what it means?
Yeah, an S sound. So
Oh. I should put that little tail on my last name.
Citron.
Oh,
Jason.
that's kind of cool.
Jason.
Citron. That's cool. That'd be
That
cool.
is pretty cool,
I like
actually.
that. All right, let's try this. This
All right,
is
do
We
it.
Believe New. We have no clue anything about any of this, but
Yep.
it was recommended from people.
And
Like
we're
you.
watching it.
Here we go. Is that a church?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
Let's see. No subtitles available if there's.
No subtitles, don't.
Nestes dias de desespero, incerteza e medo.
Oh, I know this song. Of course, it's We Believe.
Yeah.
We believe in God the
Em
Father.
uma
The Newsboys song.
salvação eu creio, creio em ti, creio em ti.
Bummer, there's no subtitles though.
Acredito em Jesus Cristo, acredito em Deus o Pai, acredito no Santo Espírito que nos vida nova traz. Acredito na cruz de Cristo e que a morte enfim venceu. Acredito que ressurreto muito em breve voltará. Creio em ti. Que nossa fé não sejam hinos, apenas notas em canções. Mesmo em tentações e fracos, creio em ti. Creio em ti. Acredito em Jesus Cristo. Acredito em Deus o Pai. Acredito no Santo Espírito que nos Acredito
D
em
flat.
Deus o
What?
Pai. Acredito no Santo Espírito que nos dá nova paz. Acredito na cruz de Cristo e que a morte enfim venceu. Acredito que ressurreto muito em breve vai, em breve voltará.
Nice. Open.
Em breve voltará.
Beautiful control there.
So unfair.
Well, first and foremost, that was beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, really, really beautiful. Definitely a moving, compelling, emotional storyline with it, whether you speak Portuguese or not. But gosh, you know what I loved about his vocal in this? I, at the beginning, was curious, like, what's this guy gonna do that moves me? Not, again, not in a wow factor where I just need to be like vocal coach wowed, but like what's gonna happen in this song that moves me? Because it was just kind of very like, you know, it was just in the easy, chill part of his vocal and low. But wow, when he kicked in and then he just stayed there.
Stay there.
He never went back until the very end. Like, really, really great vocalist. His control, his power, his ability to crescendo, decrescendo, like all the things we teach and talk about. Spot on.
Opening your mouth the higher that you sing.
Right.
So that you don't rob yourself of free resonance. Open your mouth.
We should always talk like this as vocal coaches. It's like, hi, I'm Jason Kachung.
I am
And we are vocal
Carlitos.
coaches. No, it's a true thing, and he did it. It was amazing.
Amazing.
It was so amazing.
It really changes the notes when you don't open your mouth.
Yeah, no, it totally does.
Like it like,
totally does.
It really for the worse, not for the better. So yeah, it's amazing, amazing.
Yeah, so amazing. And yeah, you can tell he's obviously has some influences in his vocals and some Christian artists he really loves. And, you know, I think that's a point too I'd like to make right now that I'd like to always stand upon. That a lot of current in today's music space is void of a faith component. Not that you have to sing about it, but the artist does not. A lot of the artists have never connected. How do I want to say that? You and I grew up going to church. Whitney Houston grew up going to church. A lot of people that we've loved throughout musicality and popular music grew up going to church. And there was always this, whether they stayed going to church or not didn't necessarily matter to my point here. But the fact that there was a connection to a higher power that taps into a deeper expression of emotion in the vocal, that spiritual connection. We coach all the time, you guys, from our mentor, that the pillars of artistry, right? And developing an artist and developing a vocal, it's emotional, it's physical, it's technical,
Mental.
psychological, and spiritual.
Yeah.
And none of those can be neglected. And there's a lot of music out there today being made that just has no connection to a spiritual plug. And it's just that. That was not that.
Yeah.
You know, so
Excellent.
that's my 2 cents. Carlos and I, all of us here at the Vocal Lab, we're Jesus people over here, even with our martinis. And these types of songs really move us. So this is fantastic.
Yeah, really cool. Thanks for the suggestion.
Yeah, this was great.
Yep.
On to the next. And until next time, I am Jason. What's wrong?
I am Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.